Hello students! Today is Friday, September 3rd, 2020. Welcome to your language class. Today we are going to have a very easy activity because today we are just going to practice what you already know. So, here I have one picture with the personal pronouns. So here we have the personal pronouns I, you, he, we, you, and they. What you're going to do is that you're going to create one sentence per each one of the pronouns. So here I have them. I are. You are. He is. You are again because it's one you for singular and it's one you for plural. We are, we, and they are. As I have here in the picture. I is just one, you in singular, and you in plural. He is in singular, we and they are in plural, so we use are with them. So, what you're going to do is that you're going to create one sentence per each one of them. So you're going to have 6 sentences at the end. 6 sentences written in your language note. That was everything for today's language class. See you until Monday. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy your time with your family. You don't have homeworks this weekend. Please enjoy your free time and see you until next week. Bye bye. I'm sending a lot of hugs and kisses and blessings from the Lord to you and yours.